Few days back, the premises of the Plateau State Assembly was taken over by security agents. This move raised suspicion about a possible impeachment of the Speaker of the State Assembly, Nuhu Abok. The siege, however, was met with protests for and against the House. With the siege finally lifted, the PDP caucus of the State Assembly cleansed the air about certain issues.
For emphasis, the general public need to also know that the meeting that led to the pronouncement of vote of confidence on Governor Lalong was All Progressive Congress stakeholders meeting that was held on Tuesday, 31st of August 2021 at the Victoria Gowon Multipurpose Hall at Government House, Little Refield, Jos. The meeting was not in Plateau State House of Assembly hallowed chambers as insinuated. The public need to be guided that all the statements made at the meeting don't have any effect on the PDP caucus of Plateau House of Assembly. The vote of confidence meeting was done by APC stakeholders, not Plateau State House of Assembly.
The caucus, however, commended the state government for implementing some of the House resolutions, but wants the governor to do more.
Government should be funding Operation Rainbow to enable them conduct 24/7 intelligence gathering, analysis, and rapid response.
The coming days in the Plateau political space will be no doubt interesting as watchers are eager to see how the drama between the Plateau State House of Assembly and the state government will end.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.